In life, problems rarely arrive with noise. Most of them come quietly, disguised as discomfort, hesitation, or thoughts we choose to ignore. We tell ourselves, it's nothing serious, or I'll deal with it later. But later has a strange habit of turning small issues into heavy burdens. Today's story is not about heroes or villains. It is about mindset, about how the way we face a problem often matters more than the problem itself. Ethan was an ordinary young man living in a small apartment near the city outskirts. He worked a regular job, paid his bills on time, and kept his life simple. From the outside, everything looked fine. But inside, something felt off. Ethan had been avoiding one thing for months, an unresolved issue at work, a small mistake he never addressed. At first, it seemed harmless, but over time, the tension followed him home, into his sleep, into his thoughts. Every morning, Ethan promised himself he would speak up, and every morning, fear whispered louder than logic. What if it gets worse? What if people judge me? So he stayed silent. Avoidance felt comfortable, like staying in a warm room while a storm waited outside. But comfort has a cost, and slowly the problem grew larger than it ever needed to be. One evening, overwhelmed, Ethan met his friends. He shared his worries, hoping for reassurance. One friend said, "Just ignore it. Things usually fix themselves." Another said, "Confrontation only creates trouble." Their advice sounded safe, but it solved nothing. Even strong voices can fail when they avoid the core issue. Strength borrowed from others fades quickly if your own mindset remains unchanged. Days passed, and the issue at work now felt massive. In Ethan's mind, it had become unstoppable, like a shadow growing larger the longer he ran from it. Fear does this. It exaggerates, it echoes. And soon, we are no longer afraid of the problem, but of the image we created around it. One late night, Ethan met an old colleague at a cafe, someone quiet, observant, someone who listened more than they spoke. After hearing everything, the colleague asked calmly, "Have you actually faced it or just imagined the worst?" That question landed hard, because Ethan realized something painful. He had never confronted the problem itself, only his fear of it. The next morning, Ethan didn't make a dramatic move. He didn't prepare speeches or defenses. He simply chose to face the issue. One honest conversation. His hands trembled. His voice wasn't perfect, but he spoke. And something unexpected happened. The problem shrank. Not because it disappeared, but because it was finally real. The issue that once felt overwhelming turned out to be manageable, fixable, even common. Ethan realized the real obstacle had never been the mistake. It had been his mindset, his belief that avoiding fear was safer than facing it. And that belief had cost him peace. This story teaches us something simple yet powerful. Small problems grow when ignored. Fear becomes louder in silence. And courage doesn't mean being fearless. It means acting despite fear. Most problems don't defeat us. Our mindset does. If you're avoiding something right now, a conversation, a decision, a truth, remember this. Running away never gives clarity. Facing reality does. Master your mindset, because once you change the way you face problems, problems lose their power over you. If this story resonated with you, take a moment to reflect. And remember, the bravest step is often the smallest one forward.